Okay guys, I'm playing another Guess What the Heck Is It with my family. And before we go to that video, can you guess what this is? What will you use this for? Can you guess what it is? Okay, here's my family guessing what it is. Hey, can you guess what that's for?
Is this for an animal?
No. Okay, play it too.
Wait, no, I haven't guessed it. Okay, so it's like a cat groom. It's like a groom.
No. Next. What do you think it is? Please speak loud.
So I would say, since we're following the other item, that it's like a cat scratcher.
No. Next player.
This doesn't involve with
Loud
an
enough so
animal.
you can guess it.
Ooh, is it for like holding on to stuff in the kitchen?
No. Next player.
You're
You're gonna put it on. You should have put it on before you guess. Can you guess what that is? You know, what I thought everybody would guess right away, I guess I was totally wrong. Because I did the video under the idea that you would guess it. But
Surprisingly, this glove actually fits.
nothing?
Wow.
Come on, hurry up.
I'm keeping this thing.
Okay,
Oh, it goes back
Give
to
me.
me.
next player.
Me.
So nobody can guess it? You want me to give a hint?
Wait.
Yeah.
Hold on. You want me to give a hint?
Yes.
Okay. You use it outside. Here. Can you guess what this is?
Is
You use
this
it outside.
Is this to scrape the grass?
You're close. Very
Scare
good.
off,
Scrape
scare off
something?
wild animals.
Scrape something. You good. You're guessing good. Nothing?
I know.
Okay.
Can I try?
So we're gonna go with player 2 because you can't. Do you know? She's close. Okay, player 2.
So player 1, I think is very close, and I think it's like a something to grab weeds or grab the dirt out when you're gardening.
Yes, not weeds. It's just a gardening tool.
Okay.
It allows you to get in nice and dirty
it's too
in the dirt when you're planting plants or anything. You're able to get in there and scrape it instead of doing it with your fingers.
But it would also.
That's what it was for. But I guess you could groom
or
cats with it too.
Yeah, scratch a cat or a dog.
I was
or
thinking
yourself.
something more weird. I was thinking it's gonna be some weird thing. Yeah.
I wouldn't have the kids here if that was the case. That was a lot of fun. You guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for everything you do. Everybody keep safe. Thank you. Bye.
Garden Genie gloves. Waterproof garden gloves with claw for digging planting. Best gardening gifts for women and men. Purple Green by XJYAMUS. Date 04142020. Cost $14.99. Amazon. https://www.amazon.com/GP/F8 Quick and easy to plant. Garden Genie gloves with 4 built-in durable ABS plastic claws on each hand. Easy to dig and plant without hand tools and gardening work. Waterproof and puncture resistant. Using natural latex rubber coating material. Waterproof, puncture resistant and easy to clean. Protects your hands from cuts and broken nails. Breathable design. Nylon knitting on the back of the hand. Comfortable and breathable to keep the hands cool and dry even in summer. Universal size fits most. High quality latex coating has good ductility, so Garden Genie gloves are universal size to suitable for women, men and even older kids. A great gardening gift. It is a great gift for a birthday, holidays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving and Christmas. Garden gloves with 4 built-in durable ABS plastic claws. No need for hand tools. 2 made of natural latex rubber coating material. It has good ductility, more sensitive. 3 Nylon knitting on the back of the hand, comfortable and breathable to keep the hands cool and dry even in summer. 4 Rapid excavation and planting in horticultural work. 3 Using natural latex rubber coating material protects your hands from cuts and broken nails. 2 Waterproof, easy to clean. 1 Nylon knitting on the back of the hand, comfortable and breathable. Genie gloves, waterproof garden gloves with claw for digging, planting. Best gardening gifts for women and men. Purple green. Part number SUO 170514 Zing Glove 00 Item weight 7 ounces Product dimensions 11.8 x 7.8 x 1.6 inches Size right plus left claws 2 pair Color purple green Material rubber Batteries included? No batteries required? No. Ausen B07PNHT7FC